Hello, friends. Today's word is metastasis. Metastasis. Metastasis is the spread of cancer cells from the place where they first formed to another part of the body. Benign tumors do not metastasize, while all the malignant tumors, with a few exceptions, shows metastasis. There are 3 routes of metastasis. First is lymphatic spread. Transport through lymphatic vessels is the most common pathway for the initial dissemination of carcinomas. Second route is hematogenous spread. Blood-borne metastasis is the common route for sarcomas, but certain carcinomas also frequently metastasize by this mode. Third route is spread along body cavities and natural passages. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and keep learning.